If you think that you missed Bitcoin, that's exactly why you're gonna miss it again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why Bitcoin is still in its early adoption cycle, why investors are flocking towards Bitcoin, and why the volatility that everybody's scared of is actually a sign to make money. Alright, so everybody thinks that they missed the Bitcoin hype when it went up to 66K last cycle, and then it went down to around 15. Everybody thought that this is gonna be like a scam and it's gonna go away. But then it quickly rebounded and even passed all-time highs of last cycle and went all the way up to 125,000. And the same story is gonna keep on repeating over and over, where people are saying that they're going to miss Bitcoin and it's too late. The reason why many people don't buy when Bitcoin is going down is because they think that it's all over and it's going to be the biggest scam in history. But when Bitcoin starts to slowly pick up in volatility, that's when everybody says you are too late. If we look back in history, in the early 2000s and the 90s, everybody said that the dot-com and the internet bubble was too late and it wasn't going to work out. And that's because the internet wasn't massively adopted by everybody like it is today. And right now, we're seeing the same thing happen with crypto and Bitcoin. Only about 5% of the global population has used it, so we are still very early in the crypto cycle. In the last couple of years, we've seen more adoptions with institutions allowing for the average person to onboard into crypto, buying through their 401k, investing in Bitcoin ETFs, and that allows a lot of Wall Street and institutional money to flow into crypto, moving the price higher and actually making the price more stable, like something like gold. So right now, since Bitcoin is still super volatile, that's actually a very good thing, because this allows people to actually still make money instead of buying gold and doing the classic hedge against inflation. We don't see gold 2 to 3x every single cycle. It just doesn't happen. But right now in crypto, we've seen the price go from 60K to 15 all the way up to 125, and that allows for the average investor or trader like me and you to make money and capitalize at the right points. So even with all this uncertainty around crypto, whether the price is going to go up or down, over the past 10 years, Bitcoin has been proven to be a solid asset to invest in. We can even see this play out in real time with people like Michael Saylor and his company MicroStrategy, and even the US government creating a crypto-backed reserve from all the stolen funds from scams. So that money will never be touched, and that's a bullish sign for the future. So yeah, Bitcoin might be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, its yearly performance crushes traditional assets. And the more that the governments and stablecoins integrate into the system, the stronger and more stable that asset becomes. If you want to see more crypto related videos, hit the subscribe button for more.